And I now give the floor to Mr. Mustapha Yunusa Maihaja, Director General of National Emergency Management Agency of Nigeria, to deliver his statement. You have the floor, sir.
Your Excellencies, Madam Chair, Engineer Mustapha is represented, so I will be speaking on his behalf. Thank you. I feel greatly honored to address this important gathering of the 6th Global Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction. I also appreciate the opportunity availed to us to exchange ideas with respected colleagues from different parts of the world. Disaster risk reduction initiatives have been a vital instrument for building a safe and more sustainable future in the globe we live today. In spite of all the challenges for the disaster-ridden society of ours, we are committed in Nigeria in strengthening our DRR activities and join the global efforts to implement the Sendai framework for DRR, which include the implementation of plans and procedures to achieve the targets for reducing disaster losses. This is an opportunity to make the world a safer and more resilient place for future generations. Madam Chair, ladies and gentlemen, we have commenced efforts to addressing inadequate capacities on risk identification, monitoring, and assessment through the formulation of a national manual, which we intend to implement at all levels of government, from the smallest unit of community to the federal level. The devastating flood disasters, ongoing insurgency in the northeast states of Nigeria, and spread of health epidemics have proved beyond doubt that Nigeria requires support to improve capacities for disaster risk management, preparedness, and effective recovery. The 2018 flood in Nigeria has challenged us to improve the way we think things. The declaration of a national disaster made us to support the states through the establishment of 5 territorial emergency operational centers, EOCs, and a National Emergency Operational Center in Abuja. We are not resting on our oars, but are forging ahead to sustain a befitting EOC and National Emergency Management Center for Nigeria. Further to the efforts made, a recovery process has commenced and started implementation of an emergency food intervention to farmers affected by conflicts and the 2018 floods. This is an initiative by His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari. This intervention aims to provide seeds and seedlings and agrochemicals to about 241,000 affected farmers, with the view to meet up with the 2019 planting season and avoid possible food insecurity in the country. As part of the way forward, we will continue to develop capacity of our staff to ensure that all principles and practices of disaster risk management are institutionalized. We would like to, at this point, Madam Chair, appreciate the government of the United States of America through the USAID for partnering with NEMA in the capacity development of its staff. It is noteworthy that the first training on Emergency Operational Center, Design Management and Incident Command System, which was conducted in February 2018, provided the needed platform and was instrumental to our successful response to the 2018 flood. One significant step towards strengthening disaster risk management has been the formulation of a national disaster risk management policy, a document we have produced and will be launching very soon. This has been made possible through the immense support of the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. We appreciate all our development partners and international NGOs, our able partner, the Nigerian Red Cross Society, and the various civil society organizations who have made the task of risk management in Nigeria result-oriented. Madam Chair, thank you for this privilege to address this august gathering. I wish all of us successful deliberation. Thank you very much.
I thank the representative.